back of the Jeep for whenever I'm sleeping is my new setup that I have for ventilation. Now last time you saw that I had little air vents that I put into the window and then held it there, but this time I added fans. I'll put the link down in the description of where I got these, but this is my intake side on the driver's side, and I have 320 millimeter fans. And then over on the other side, I have 3 external. So this is going to be my exhaust side. Now, the best thing about these fans is that they're all daisy chained together and they go to a single USB plug. The USB I can plug directly into a power brick and then they'll kick up and start running. On top of adding the intake and exhaust fans, I did one more modification that I'm actually really like. Now, last time in the video, you saw that I had cardboard boxes that I put in the windows to keep out any light or anybody looking in, that type of thing. This time, I came up with a different option. What I did is I got some magnets. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right there. And I got magnets, put them on just certain locations around the rear 5 windows. So the 2 sides and then the back one. And what I did is I went out and got a twin bed sheet, and I cut the bed sheet up to fit the windows, and everything works perfectly on it. So let me get that set up real quick and I'll show you what it looks like with all of them installed. And here it is with the curtains put up. As you can see, it blocks out a lot more light and keeps people from looking in. In fact, it's the middle of the day and the sun's shining through the back window, but it's blocking out a lot of the light. I'm very pleased with how these went up, and it's really simple upgrade. Now there is a spot right here that's going to let light through that I didn't account for whenever I made the curtains, that the fans would drop it down a little bit. So it's going to create a little hole, but I'm not too worried about it and I'll fix it later. The final thing I wanted to show you guys is that I do have to move some stuff up to the front seat whenever I'm sleeping at night. And that's the cooler, the stove, and then my water supply. Now the reason why I do this is because there's no easy way other than putting it on the side of where I'm sleeping to keep them out of the way. I just found that this was easiest last time whenever I was camping in the Jeep. While I'm going to Colorado, I don't have everything planned out. Now there are some few places that I want to go and explore and hike and that type of thing, but I don't have a set schedule. Now if you guys know of some great places that I need to check out while I'm in Colorado, leave them in the comments below. That way I can add them to my list and have a great time. With that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and you guys can set your Jeep up to go camping. And if you have any other great ideas for the Jeep as well, leave them down below also. You guys have a great day.